Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a hidden heart cake for Valentine's Day. So it will be a vanilla loaf with a red heart hidden inside. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 3/4 cup of flour, add in a pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 6 tablespoons of butter, add in a 1/2 cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and a 1/2 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Mix until well combined. Add a few drops of red food coloring, and mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients in 2 batches. Add in 6 tablespoons of milk. Mix until smooth. Pour into a prepared baking pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 37 to 39 minutes. Once cooled, cut hearts out. In a bowl with 1 3/4 cup of flour, add in 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 175 grams of butter, add in 1 cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 2 teaspoons vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add in the dry ingredients in 3 batches. Add in 3/4 cup of milk in 2 batches. Mix until smooth. Add a little of the batter to the bottom of your baking pan and smooth out. Line your red hearts on top of that batter. And cover with remaining batter. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes. In a bowl, combine 2 ounces of chocolate and 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt in the microwave until smooth. Add in 1 cup of icing sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix until smooth. Pour your chocolate glaze over your cooled loaf. Cut into slices. And enjoy!